Hi, I'm Nada Gamarena, and today is July 10th, and I'm going to be continuing my fruit adventure. Today we are here with the Splash Pluot. This one actually holds a really deep place in my heart. The name came into be because in the early summer of 2000s, my Nino Javier was doing fruit evaluations, and when he described where the tree was, all he said was it's in the middle of the orchard and it's a splash of color. So that name is really cool. So the name came to be because the gorgeous splash of color, the red over orange skin, and this is a Zager's variety. It is a plum and apricot crossover. So it is continuously a top taste test scorer here, so let's give it a try. Wow, this one's fantastic. It has a gorgeous yellow flesh. It's so refreshing the first bite. If you want a splash of taste throughout your day, I highly suggest this one. The splash pollinates best with the Santa Rosa plum and the flavor grenade Pluot.